Delivering a parcel with myRENZbox is quick, secure and hassle-free. Here's how. When you arrive at the designated myRENZbox, ensure you have the recipient's PIN ready. Touch the screen to begin, then select the Courier button. Enter the unique PIN code provided by the recipient for this delivery. Select the compartment size based on the parcel dimensions. The compartment will open automatically. Place the parcel securely inside. Close the locker securely to complete the delivery. If you experience issues, verify the PIN code or use the on-screen help function. That's it! Secure, easy and fast parcel drop-offs with myRENZbox. Share this guide with your team to streamline deliveries.